Hello, my name is Otasowe Osayande, and this is my PLC Project 1 simulation on a fully automated pick and drop conveyor system. Notice I have sensor simulation on to ensure that the sensors are simulated by themselves. Now to begin this process, I must click on the power on button. Now I click on the start button. Once I do that, the conveyors are energized, and also a light comes up at the start button to indicate that it has been pushed. At any point in time that I want to stop the process, I can click on the stop button or the emergency stop button, as shown also. Now, for safety reasons also, once there's a part present at the pickup position and also a part present at the stop position, notice that conveyor 1, the infeed conveyor, will stop for safety reasons. Power on, start. So notice that there's a part here and there's another part at the stop position. Conveyor 1 turns off for safety reasons. Now, and then there's a part here, the solenoid lowers and then retracts up to fully raised position and then extends forward to fully extended position before dropping the part at the scale. Notice while all this is done, the magnet is still active. The magnet or the suction effect is still active. And once the part is dropped on the scale, the sensor here detects it and engages the conveyor belt. Once this conveyor belt turns on, as you'll see now, the light here, the yellow light here, comes up. So they have been programmed in such that way, and it moves the parts to the stamp position. Once the parts are at the stamp position, there's a sensor here that detects its presence and triggers the stamp solenoid to lower. Once the stamp solenoid lowers and stamps the part, the PBA light here comes up to inform the operator that a part is coming through, and also once it is fully retracted up or raised up, the part stop solenoid, as you can see, will lower to allow the part to go through. Thank you very much. I'm going to stop the process.